Okay, part 3, measure. Let's get into measuring from plans, photos, or sketches. You can do all 3 in ConGenius. So I'm going to go ahead and click into a project that I've already created. I'm going to click over to my measure tab now that I'm in a project. And in this project, I have 2 files uploaded. I have a plan and I have a front elevation photo of a job site too. So just wanted to show you that you can actually set a scale to a known length on a plan or on a photo. Let's just say this is a 3-foot door, and I have a scale set, and I can quickly get like a siding area or count of windows or things like that. So just a quick tip there. I'm going to jump back over to my house plan. I already have my scale set for this, and I have my floor area measured. Let me zoom in. So you'll click your plus measurement now that I have a scale set, and you can use any of our measurement tools. We have area, length, count. You can key in one if you're like, hey, I took a measurement from a job site and I'm just going to add that in. Pitched area for like roofs or vaulted ceilings, insulation in an attic maybe, wall area 2D line, let's go ahead and show you that, wall volume and area volume. So all tools that you can use to grab measurements and then apply those measurements to your items to get your material lists, your labor hours, things like that. I'll show you that process in just a second. Let's grab a wall area really quick. I'm going to make sure I have a tool selected, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab my walls. Let's say we're going to paint this house inside. I'm going to click enter when I'm done measuring, and I'm going to specify my height. And then my square footage is calculated. For interior walls, I can also grab those, of course. You'll just want to go through your plan and grab all your walls. Click enter. You can also specify that they're 2-sided as a shortcut, so you don't have to actually measure twice. So let's just assume we have all of our walls measured for this project. You guys get the idea. If you're familiar with a measurement tool, go ahead and check that out. Play around with it. We do have a free plan, so you guys can get a free trial of our measuring tool. Let's go ahead and show you how this applies to estimate items. So I'm going to click over. I'm on my measurement tab. Now I'm going to click over to my estimate tab. I already have a couple items that are added here. Install pre-finished 3¼ inch hardwood flooring. So what I can do here is I can just apply that floor area measurement. For example, I can apply a 10% waste factor, round up to the full square foot, set my quantity, and my cost is going to be automatically calculated for all my items in an assembly. So stay tuned for the next part of this walkthrough, and I'll go into a little bit more detail on estimating. Okay, let's say we're going to paint those walls that we just measured, apply a waste factor, again, same thing, set my quantity, and now all my costs for that are automatically calculated. I know how many labor hours I'm going to need to paint the project. So really quick way to actually apply those measurements and get material takeoffs, labor rate, labor hours needed for a job, equipment. So to get a really great takeoff, you're able to apply measurements to those estimate line items and then go from there. So hope this helps. Be sure to follow along for more tips.